India got freedom in 1947. By that time, our literacy rate was only 12%, which has now gone up to 65%. This number can go up in near future, but for that, we need to see the other aspect of this story, and this aspect should be given attention.
और 8 कितने होते हैं तुम्हें पता नहीं है क्या? चले आते हो मुंह उठाकर। पता नहीं है क्या? चले आते हो मुंह उठाकर।
मैम न्यूज़पेपर
बेचते हो या पढ़ना भी आता है? बेचते हो या पढ़ना भी आता है? पढ़ना भी आता है।
कहाँ जा रही है?
डैडी स्कूल।
स्कूल जाएगी तो घर का काम कौन करेगा? तेरा बाप। चल।
यहाँ आकर जिंदगी अनपढ़ सी हो जाती है, इसलिए थम सी जाती है। There are 14 billion ways in which a human can lead his life. All of these are worth studying. Whether we like it or not, the level of our education goes on to play a very big role in the kind of life that we go on to lead. Lack of education has today become a global problem. Like environmental degradation and terrorism, it has gone on to assume alarming proportions. Let's have a look at the world around us. Whether it is the African nations or parts of South America, Asia Pacific or other countries of the third world, it is lack of education which has become the root cause of all other evils. The landscape of education in India is undergoing a major metamorphosis thanks to this legislation of right to education.
The Right to Education Bill was passed in the year 2009, which was enacted from 1st of April 2010 in the entire country. Now it has become a right of every child to get better education. We cannot talk of the improvement or development of country by only framing laws. Our country can improve if our citizens would be aware of their rights and duties. The chairman of the institution, Hamari Kaksha, Anuradha Sharma, laid emphasis on this topic and started a campaign to provide education to the poor and helpless children. Seeing the firm determination of Anuradha Sharma, other people also joined her. Thus her campaign to teach poor and helpless children advanced forward. It is not necessary that children can get good education only in better schools. There are various institutions like Hamari Kaksha where good education is given to those children who are discriminated by our society, who are refused to get admission in good schools because they are from the weaker section of society.
Born in 2004 from the idea of two well-meaning teachers, Hamari Kaksha has grown from being a class under a tree shade to a full-fledged school of more than 200 students. This is a very special school which is run by people who are driven in a very unique way. This is the learning space of Hamari Kaksha. Value-based education, learning by doing, and a unique aspiration of every child to go ahead and become something is recognized here, and they are provided the right kind of opportunity to grow and actually become what they want to become.
In Hamari Kaksha, children can be taught by means of playing so that they join hands with the rest people of the society without any hesitation. Not only this, they are made aware of the social evils along with their studies so that they can raise voice against such misconceptions. However, such endeavor is not an easy task.
जो सबसे बड़ी परेशानी मुझे मिल गई, that was convincing the parents.
Okay.
Children are keen to learn.
Right.
We are there.
Sure.
But the parents are basically migratory people who are not at all educated They are here for earning and for just having food and shelter.
These are the parents of some of the kids who come to Hamari Kaksha. So let's go ahead and find out from them how do they feel about sending their kids to the school. तो हमारी कक्षा में आने के बाद आपको अपने बच्चों में क्या बदलाव लगा है?
जी अच्छे हैं, अच्छे पढ़ते हैं, घर में जाके भी पढ़ते हैं और हम भी आते हैं पढ़ने के लिए।
मैडमों का भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहते हैं कि हमारे बच्चों को अच्छी शिक्षा दे रहे हैं और हम भी काफ़ी यहाँ आके शिक्षित हो रहे हैं। मतलब हमें भी काफ़ी वो मिल रही है कि हमने भी अपने जीवन में आगे जाके कैसे करना है, नाम लिखना नहीं आता था वो सीखा।
So this is actually one of the most wonderful aspects of Hamari Kaksha. This is a snapshot of the place where kids from Hamari Kaksha come from. Now let me take you to the house of another student of Hamari Kaksha. The name of the boy is Vindesh. Let us go ahead and have a look at what he's doing right now. Hello Vindesh. This is Vindesh, another very talented student at Hamari Kaksha. Let's have a look at his house, please.
नमस्कार।
आपके बेटे की तो बहुत तारीफ करते हैं मैडम हमारी कक्षा में।
हाँ, जिस गरीबी हालत में पढ़े लिखे हैं तो जो सी उनकी शिक्षा हुई नहीं बुद्धि उतनी है।
जी, कितने सालों से जा रहा है विंदेश स्कूल?
11-12 साल से जा रहे हैं। 12 साल से।
आप क्या चाहते हैं आपका बेटा क्या बने बड़ा हो?
बड़ा हो के मैं तो यही सोचते हैं कि अच्छा बने, अच्छा पढ़ाई लिखाई करें, अच्छी नौकरी मिले।
और आप बड़े होकर क्या बनना चाहते हैं?
सर बड़ा होकर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बनना।
So Vindesh wants to be a software engineer. Another Narayan Murthy in the making? Who knows?
It is said that now women are joining hands with male and they are doing better in every field. But if we consider on statistics, we find that literacy rate of male is 75.96%, whereas female literacy rate is still 54.28%. The role of female in villages, small towns and districts is quite different. Even in this 21st century, they are supposed to do household work instead of studying.
कहाँ जा रही है?
डैडी स्कूल।
स्कूल? स्कूल जाएगी तो घर का काम कौन करेगा? तेरा बाप? चल।
Education is such an instrument through which all thoughts of people can be changed. The thoughts of people has changed to some extent by the growing publicity of education.
तो आपने अपनी बेटी को क्यों पढ़ाने के लिए?
हम अपनी बेटी को इसलिए पढ़ाना चाहते हैं सर, ये आगे चल के अपने परिवार में मतलब कोई आगे पीढ़ी है उसमें अपना ये सर सकते हैं, अपने बाल बच्चों के लिए अपना सर कर सकें।
The legislation of right to education will actually percolate down to the grassroots level only when the awakening of the parents within the Indian hinterland is going to happen the same way as we heard Mr. Rajesh speaking.
Every parent has some dream about their children's success, the dream of their better future. This mother also saw such dream. Although she is illiterate, but she wants to provide good education to her child.
तो सुषमा जी, आपको किसने इस बात की प्रेरणा दी कि आपको अपने बच्चे को स्कूल भेजना चाहिए?
रमला आंटी ने बताया, राधा आंटी को उसने पढ़ाया, तो हमने सोचा कि पढ़े लिख ले तो बच्चे इज्जत की रोटी खा सके, कमा सके।
Like her, there are many parents who want their children get admitted in better schools so that in future they become independent and can earn name and fame.
The education being provided to these children is obviously quite critical. Think of a time when these kids grow up into parents and pass on the legacy of their learnings to the next generation. That will be the real victory of institutes like Hamari Kaksha.
40, 12, 15। अरे यार
सेठ जी 67 होते हैं, यानी कि 67। मैम न्यूज़पेपर
बेचते हो या पढ़ना भी आता है? पढ़ना भी आता है।
Yes ma'am, I know how to read. I do this to help my family.
It is said that only educated citizen can form a civilized society. But this development or change cannot be brought by single person's thought. For this, collective effort of our society is essential. This is the story of the empowerment of India, an India which straddles two coaches. One India that is affluent, upwardly mobile, and full of opportunities. The other India where getting 2 square meals, having access to basic needs of living is also a challenge. Education, which holds the promise of bringing both the Indias together, is going to play the role of a bridge. This bridge is being built at a social level by agents of change like Hamari Kaksha, who are working to provide education to the lesser India. The right to education dream will fructify and get India on the top of the global pyramid when these endeavors get the necessary support from our ecosystem.
सब बच्चों ने बदलेंगे देश का नक्शा, अब रहेंगे न अज्ञानी, जाएंगे हमारी कक्षा। विद्वानों की बोली बोलेगा अब हर बच्चा, पढ़ लिख कर इंसान बनेगा, ऐसी है हमारी कक्षा, हमारी कक्षा, हमारी कक्षा, हमारी कक्षा। ईश्वर, अल्लाह, नानक, जीसस। ईश्वर, अल्लाह, नानक, जीसस। ईश्वर, अल्लाह, नानक, जीसस। जैसे बच्चों की हमारी ये कक्षा, जैसे बच्चों की हमारी कक्षा, हमारी कक्षा, हमारी कक्षा, हमारी कक्षा, हमारी कक्षा, हमारी कक्षा, हमारी कक्षा। जात पात और फरेब नहीं हमारी दीक्षा, संस्कार मोहब्बत का घर है हमारी कक्षा। कोई मोल नहीं है शिक्षा का, इसका हकदार है हर बच्चा। ज्ञान बांटे और बड़े